play any chord with one chord shape. How do you do that? You're about to find out right now. So for this lesson, we're just going to use the chord shape of E major. What is an E major? It's popping up on your screen right now, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit ahead of ourselves here, but it's gonna come back around full circle. But if you have a capo, go ahead and put that on the 5th fret. Okay, and remember, when we have a capo on the guitar, every chord is relative to the capo. So we're gonna play the E chord here. Now, in relevance to the capo, that's an E. But in actuality, that's an A. How does that make sense? You're about to find out. Before we get into that, I want us to focus on the low E string. So that's this string up top. Okay, if we play it just like that, as an open string, that's an E note, all right? But if we use our index finger and we press down on the 1st fret and we strum that E string, now we're at an F. Then we go up 1 fret. Now we got an F sharp, up another fret, now we have a G, okay? So I'm gonna put on the screen right now the order that the notes go in. And so if we continue on from the G, if we go up 1 fret, now we got a G sharp, then we got an A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Okay, so that is the order of notes. And notice that there is no E sharp and there is no B sharp. That's just how it is. I didn't write the rules. So we're gonna take those same order of notes and we're just gonna apply it to the E major chord. So we have an E major chord down here. And if we slide up 1 fret, now we're gonna use our index finger to bar the 1st fret. And we're going to use the rest of our fingers to create that E major shape. And now we have an F. And then if we slide up another fret, we have F sharp, another fret, G, slide up another fret, G sharp, and then slide up to the 5th fret. Now we have an A. So remember I said in the beginning of the video, when we had the capo there on the 5th fret and we played the E major, that was actually an A. Well, that's how you get to the A chord, okay? If we slide up to the 6th fret, now we have a A sharp. Slide up another fret, B, slide up another fret. Remember, there's no B sharp, so now we have a C. You can apply this concept to any chord shape, and as long as you follow those order of notes, then you're going to be able to play any chord with a singular chord shape. All right, so that's a little bit of music theory for you today. I am not an expert by all means. I just know a little bit of music theory, and I want to share what I know to the rest of the community. If there's anything that you think that I got wrong, go ahead and comment down below and educate us. This is a community after all. I don't claim to be a know-it-all, so I welcome those comments. If you feel like this was helpful to you, go ahead and give this a thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what else you would want to learn. I know that I usually make song tutorials on this YouTube channel, so I wanted to just try a little something different and just try to add value where I can. Now, if you're here and you've never seen any of my other videos, I'd like to invite you to check them out. Like I said, I do song tutorials mainly in the hip hop and R&B genre, but I do venture out a little bit when I can. So go ahead and check that out. Please consider subscribing. Follow my TikTok and Instagram. I also have tutorials on there that I don't have here on YouTube. And until then, I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see y'all in the next video.